ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरो वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। So we have seen apadantasya मूर्धन्यः इनको हो नुम विसर्जनीय शर व्यवाये अपि। For that, the examples we have to see. I don't know whether we have seen the examples. Have you seen examples for each?
No, Ji, no.
Okay. To see the examples, we need to know certain. We need to know the Subanta, other examples. Okay. So we have to see that sutra, right? Num shar visarjani vyavaya api.
We saw and we read.
We have read. Okay.
Yeah.
That is the example. Whatever it is given, we have to see. Later we will see when we see the application of this. Num example, I think we would have seen. I think Vasanti also asked, what is that mainstay? And Latlakara was there. Nini.
Yes, yeah. Intervening spaces.
That num we saw. Then Visarga, that also we saw an example. Dhanuhu plus Su. Then Shar Vyavaye api. Shar Vyavaye api also, I think, yeah, the same thing, example. Dhanuhu itself the example. Dhanuhu plus Shu, Dhanuhu Shu, or the Dhanushu we can do. Okay. I think we have seen that example in the site itself. You can see that later. Okay. Now we'll move to the next one. The next one is Adesha Pratyayoho. That is a main sutra. For that, all these comes as anuvrutti. Apadantasya Murdhanyaha. Apadantasya Shashti Vibhakti. Murdhanyaha Adesha. Apadantasya Stane Adesha Bhavati. What is Apadantasya? What is the Stani? In between one sutra is there. In between one sutra is there. 57, 50, that is 58. The Sutra Pata, if you see. from which only we get sakara, saha, not saha, saha, saha is adesha, the saha is sthani, apadantasya saha, 83. Sorry, 8356 it is. So in the number, I think that's one. It's okay. Number is correct. 8356. Sahe Sadaha Saha Apadantasya Sakarasya Stane Murdanyah Adesha Bhavati. When in koho, in or ku precedes, even when intervened by Vyavaye api. Vyavaya is Vyavadhana. Num shar Visarjaniya shar Vyavaye api. Num shar Visarjaniya shar Vyavaye api. Vyavaya is Vyavadhana. Num cha Visarjaniyascha sharcha. Num shar Visarjaniya Visarja. Num shar Num Visarjaniya sharaha. Iterator Dvanda Samasa. Num cha Visarjaniyascha sharcha. Then Vyavaya caused by that. So Num shar Visarjaniya Sharbihi Vyavayaha. Vyavayaha, that is Vyavadanaha. Num shar Visarjaniya shar Vyavayaha. Vyavahye api. Tasmin. Num shar Visarjaniya Vyavahye api. So Vyavahya and this Tritiya Tat Purusham. So one is Iteretara Dvandva. Iteretara Dvandva Garbha. Tritiya Tat Purusha Samasa. Samasa, it's a compound word. One word. Num Visarjaniya shar Vyavahye api. First the three are Dvandva. Taihi Vyavayaha. That is Tritiya Tat Purusha. Vyavaye api tasmin sati. Tasmin. So Vyavaye api. Even when intervened by, that's how we translate. Even when api, even when intervened by any of this, any one of this, that we have to understand. That's the difference between Atvam and Shatvam. Even when intervened by any one of this, then also Kimbhavati Apadantasya Sakarasya Sakarasya Sthane Muddanya Adesha Bhavati. Then the next sutra, Adesha Pratyayoho. All the sutra, if we analyze the samasa and all, it is elaborate discussion. We are just seeing the simple meaning of the sutra. But if we analyze with the example, that is the next, as I said, the next step. When we see this with the examples as given in the Siddhanta Kaumudi or given in the Kashika, for that analysis, we should have the background of all the sutras, because he will give counter example. To understand counter example, we may need to know the other sutras. So Vitireka, Anvaya Udaranam as well as Vitireka Udaranam. Why it is said like this, why it is not like this. But like that, Kashika will ask question and he himself will answer by giving example. As I said, that is the next level. Having studied this, then we can study that. Okay, now the Adesha Pratyayoho. Adesha Pratyayoho, that also that qualifies the Sakara. Padantasya, Sakarasya. And the Sakara belonging to the Adesha or the Pratyaya. Adesha Pratyayasya. Sakara is could be an Adesha or it could be a Pratyaya. So here some discussion is there. We will see that. Is there disturbance in my voice?
No, Ji, no.
Okay. So Adesha Pratyayoho. The Sakara part of the Sakara, which is the Adesh, which has come as Adesha, or which is the part of the Pratyaya. And this is need 359, therefore Purvatra Siddham. All of the things he got to bring us another Samhitayam, last sutra of the second section of the 8th chapter. Then all the four sutras, Padantasya Murdanyaha and the Inkoho, and Saha, that Sakara only undergoes changes. Therefore, that Saha from 8350, 8356, I think, it comes Anuvrutti. All those words come as Anuvrutti. Then only you get the Sampurna Sutra. Sampurna Sutra is Inkoho. Inkoho is preceded by in. Inkoho parasya apadantasya sakarasya adesha rupasya pratyaya avayava rupasya va. Sakara, which is in the form of the adesha, which has come in the form of adesha, that adesha sakara. Like in the dhatu, aupadeshika dhatu which are there in the dhatu pata, like a shadala dhatu and all, shadala, shna. Then that adi shakara will be replaced by sakara, we said. That's called sattvam. We have seen that. So that sakara comes as an adesha there. Therefore, that type of sakara, adesha rupasya. Or pratyaya avayava rupasya, avayava, a part of the pratyaya, va sakarasya, that sakara, apadanta sakara, preceded by in. Even when intervened by numsha visarjani yavaye api, murdhanyaha adesha bhavati. Murdhanya will be the adesha. So, murdhanyaha iti. Murdhanya iti vartate. So, here, this adesha pratyayoho iti, the shashti vibhakti is sambandha shashti. That this iti shashti, it is sambandhyate. It is a description. It is this sambandha, not sambandha shashti. It is sambandhyate. Shashti bedena sambandhyate. Adesha pratyayoho sakarasya with sakara. That is adeshaha yaga sakaraha. And pratyasya cha yaha sakaraha. The sakara of the adesha or pratyasya, pratyaya avayavasya. Inkoho uttaraha, which comes after the in. Tasya kim adesha bhavati, murdhanyaha adesha bhavati. That is the meaning. So here the sakara which is indicated by the word saha. The saha comes as anuvrutti from the, as I said, from the Sutra 8356. You see the Sutra Pata, you will see Sahe Sadaha Saha iti. Sahe he Sadaha Saha. The Saha is that the Sakara has got a different sambandha. That's what it is. Bedena sambandhyate. Different sambandha with regard to the words Adesha and Pratyaya. It's got a different sambandha. What is that? The Sakara could have been just a Sakara alone. Or it could have been an avayava of the Adesha or Pratyaya. It can be just a Sakara, or it could be an avayava of Adesha as well as a Pratyaya. Now, this will lead to four possibilities. Four possible meaning for Adesha Pratyaya. That is clarified by saying the Adesha, the Sakara is the Adesha. Adesha Pratyayoho. That is clarified by the commentators. Sakara is the Adesha Sakara. With respect to Pratyaya, the Sakara is an avayava of the Pratyaya. Kashikakara says this. The Sakara is the Adesha Sakara. With respect to Pratyaya, Sakara is the avayava of the Pratyaya. If you simply say Adesha Pratyayoho, means Adesha is, the Sakara could be the Adesha. A Sakara could be an avayava of the Adesha, connecting with the word Adesha. Similarly, Pratyaya, when you say, the Sakara could be, itself could be the Pratyaya. Like in the Pratama Vibhakti Ekavacham, the Su Pratyaya you add, then you remove the Anubandha, Sakara is that is Sakara, Pratyaya Sakara. Or the Sakara could be an avayava of the Pratyaya Sakara. Therefore, four possibilities are that. That is clarified by Kashikakara by saying that Sakara is the Adesha, number one. And with respect to pratyaya, it could be the avayava of the pratyaya. Therefore, Kashikakara says the sakara, which is the adesha sakara, or the sakara which belongs to the pratyaya, the part of the pratyaya, the avayava of the pratyaya, that sakara. So two possibilities, which immediately follows in arku will undergo shatvam, that is, will be replaced by murdanya shakaraha iti. This is the what Kashikakara says. So for our understanding, that is why here he has written simply Adesha Rupasya Sakarasya or Pratyaya Avayava Rupasya. Only that Sakara. If further he describes here, you can read this, you will understand. Yadi Kaschana Sakaraha Swayam Adesha Rupene Vigitaha Asti. The Sakara which itself is ordained as an Adesha, that is number one. Kasyachana Pratyayasya Avayava Asti, or the Sakara as an Avayava of the Pratyaya. Tarhi. So only two possibilities here is arrived at, because this is called Vedena Sambandhyate. This Adesha Pratyaya has got connection with Sakara only in this two. Tarhi Tadrashasya Inkoho Parasya Sakarasya Anuswara Visarga Shar Varnasya Vivahe Api Shakaradesha Bhavati. Even when intervened by this, any one of this, Shakara will be the Adesha. In Ityatra Parasya Nakarasya. In is the last, the later Nakara. Even that not an immediate Nakara, Lan, the longer Nakara. Okay. So that is what he says here. In iti atra parasya nakarasya. Iti ukte lan pratyaharasya nakarasya grahanam bhavati. Up to lan we have to take. So it covers ayivun, riluk, evom, ayoj, ayavart, lan. Those are the in letters. So when preceded by in letters, ataha in pratyahare a eto vihaya sarve swaraha antastaha tata akara akaraha samavishyante. All these are covered excepting avarna. Evam eva ku iti anena sarvesham kavargiya varnanam grahanam bhavati. All the letters of the kavarga. The first class. Even when preceded by any in or ku. Then examples. Vak shabdasya saptami bhagavachanasya rupa siddhau. Vak plus su. This is saptami. Vak plus su becomes this su. Sakara is avayava of the pratyaya. Avayava of the pratyaya. Atra sup ityasya sakaraha pratyasya avayava asti. And also it is apadantaha asti. Therefore sakara, which is the avayava of the pratyaya, and it is apadanta asti. Tasmat purvam, tasmat kakara, tasya purvam kimba asti, kakaraha asti. So kakarat paraha asti sakaraha, apadanta sakaraha. Therefore adesha pratyaho iti anena murdanya adesha bhavati. Therefore you get the word vakshu. Sakara becoming murdanya shakara, therefore you get vakshu. Similarly, pat dhatoho lit lakarasya pratama purusha ekavachanasya prakriya iyam. Pat plus rit lakara. Sya will come. Pat plus sya plus tip. Sya will take itagama. So pat plus e plus sya plus tip. Here it is. Now itagama comes. The sakara is the avayava of the pratyaya sakara. Sakara apadanta pratyaya sakara. Preceded by e because of the itagama. Itagama is to be applied because it is antaranga. So itagama becomes the integral part of the pratyaya when the agama is added. Itagama is so therefore preceded by e and in letter in koho. Therefore this apadanta pratyaya avayava sakara will become murdanya shakara. Therefore, patishyati, the form you get. Sya pratyasya sakaraha pratyaya avayava rupena vigitaha asti. It is a avayava of the pratyaya. Apadantasya asti. Ikarat parah asti. All the conditions are fulfilled. Apadanta as well as it is preceded by e. Therefore, किं भवति मूर्धन्य आदेशः भवति by आदेश प्रत्ययोः. Then shich dhatu, example for adesha sakara. Shich becomes sich by what? This because the sakara aupadeshika dhatu is shich, and we know that shaha saha dhatvadehe shaha saha, by that dhatu beginning with modhani shakara replaced by sakara. So this sakara comes in the form of the adeshas, adesha rupa. That sakara comes. Sich. Shich becomes sich. Now here sisecha, that is what is required here. Sisecha. This C sakara plus E here sage. The sage is because of the pratyaya, sich pratyaya. That we will see, sich pratyaya later. C, that sakara is there. Sakara preceded by E. Sage ityasya sakaraha shakaraha stane shakarasya adesha rupena praptaha asti. Apadanta sakara and preceded by E. Therefore, shattam bhavati. Okay. Then jnatavya. Inkoho paraha अपदान्ते विद्यमानः सकारः यदि आदेशस्य अवयवः अस्ति तर्हि अनेन सूत्रेण तस्य षत्वं न भवति. That is what I said at the beginning. Four possibility, and the fourth possibility is made into two possibility. That is being explained here as jnatavya. When I said sakara, this adesha pratyayoho is shashti vibhakti dvivachana, and it is connected to adesha pratyayoho shashti vibhakti dvivachanam connected to the saha, which is the stani. So then what is the sambandha? That sakara is the adesha sakara, adesha rupa sakara. A sakara is the avayava of the pratyaya sakara. That is how to be interpreted. Kashikara said, I said. That is being explained here. If the adesha, if the sakara is the avayava of the adesha, then the sutra will not apply. Therefore, the only sakara must be the adesha, not a part of the adesha. If it is a adesha avayava, then shattam will not apply. Example, yatha musalam asya shabdasya nitya vipsayoho ityanena. Vipsa means dvitvam, repetition. Ityanena, this dvitvam is different from the dvitvam which is mentioned in the 6th chapter. That is different. Anyway, just understand dvitvam, that is enough, only for example's sake. Musalam asya shabdasya nitya vipsayoho ityanena dvitve krite musalam iti jayate. Musalam, vipsa is repetition. That's called vipsa. When the word is repeated, like pata pata, gada gada, all these are expressions. In Panchadashi, Vidyanamani says how the earth makes sound, how the water flows. All those places he has used this amredita, this vipsa he has used. So musalam, dvitve karte. When you do the vipsa, dvitva, musalam iti jayate. Now, one musalam is there, another musalam is the vipsa, the repetition. So musalam becomes two musalam. So dvitiyaha musalam shabdaha adesha rupena vigitaha asti. The second musalam has come in the form of adesha. There sakara is there. In the adesha musalam, sakara is there. And sakara is preceded by in letter. Will you apply shatvam? No. There it is not applied. Asmin adeshe ekaha varnaha sakaraha api asti. Musalam, that word sakara is there. Ataha tatra adeshasya avaya rupena sakaraha vigitaha asti. This sakara is the whole musalam is adesha, and sakara therefore is the avayava of the आदेश अवयव सकार अस्याम अवस्थायां वर्तमान सूत्रेण सकारस्य शत्रुं न विधीयते even though precedes by in, even when intervened by preceded by immediately by in or intervened by numsal visarjani vivaya api shatrum na bhavati. That is why the sakara is how it is connected to adesha. Sakara is the adesha, adesha rupa sakarasya. That is why it is said adeshah yaga sakarah tasya eva murdanyadesha bhavati. The sakara which is the adesha, it means it is not avayava. The adesha must be pure sakara alone, then only the shattam will happen. Otherwise, no. This is what I said in the beginning, how this has to be interpreted. The shashti vibhakti, adesha pratyayoho. Then the point number 2, adesha swarupaha pratyaya avayava rupaha va sakarah padante asti chetasya shattam na bhavati. Adesha swarupaha pratyaya avayava swarupaha va sakarah va padante. It talked about padanta. Padanta, it will not happen. That condition already it is there, padantasya. If it is padanta, it will not happen. That already we know. Padanta sakara, it will happen, then what will happen to the rutvam? The rutvam will never come. In Hari Shabda and all, Harihi, the word Harihi, Visarga will not come if it is applied to padanta sakara. That Hari plus Su, Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachana Pratyaya Su, that whose content is sakara only. That is avayava of the pratyaya, there is sakara. Then what will happen? Preceded by Hari, E is there. If Ruttam is not applied, then anyway Ruttam is precedes. This Adesha Pratyaya is not Siddha, Asiddha for the Rutta Vidhi. Where is Ruttam? What number is Ruttam? Ruttam is 8 to 66.
66.
So with respect to that sutra, this sutra is Asiddha. So therefore, anyway, this will not see also. So apadanta sakarasya, this shattam will not happen, it says. How one example is given. Yataha etat apadantasya murdhanyaha asmin adhikare agacchati. Therefore, only apadanta adhikara, under that it comes. Yata dhanu shabdasya saptami bhagavajanasya rupa prakriya iyamta. This also we have seen previously. Dhanush sakaranta shabda plus sub pratyaya. Then what happened? Dhanus is a padam. How it is padam? We know. Suadishu asarvanavasthane padam bhavati, right? Therefore, padanta sakara now. Padanta sakara. Therefore, sa sajishoruhu 8 to 66 will apply because that is the first sutra. That is the Tripadi, that has to be applied first. So Ru becomes, then Karavasane Visarjaniyaha, Visarga comes. Then by Vashari, Visarga Sistane, Sakaraha Adesha Bhavati, optionally, Janus. Now the Sakara, where it has come in the place of Visarga. What Sakara is that? Adesha Sakara. Can you apply here? No, it is a Padanta Sakara. You cannot apply Adesha Pratyayoho and make it Shattum. That cannot happen by this sutra. Even though Sakara is there, it is Padanta Sakara. Adesha Pratyayoho iti anena inkoho parasya su iti asya pratyaya avayavasya sakarasya Sakaraha. Here this Sakara becomes Sakara because it is a pratyaya avayava Sakara and preceded by who intervened by shar letter, only Sakara is there, therefore that will happen. Okay. What about this Sakara? That Sakara will not become Murdhanya Sakara because it is Padanta Sakara. So therefore this Adesha Pratyaya cannot be applied. Then later if it comes Tunashtu will apply, therefore you get the form Dhanushu. In fact, here you can stop Dhanuhu Shu, that is one form, or Dhanushu. So here itself, Dhanuhu plus Su. After that, you can apply Shatvam. Here Su is there, Su preceded by in letter, intervened by Visarga. Therefore, this Sakara will become Murdanya Shakara, Dhanuhu, Shu, you can say. By Vashari. By Vashari, that is, if Sakara is not the Adesha in the place of Visarga, because Visarjaniyasya Saha is optional. Vashari. Dhanuhu Shu is one form. Other form is Dhanushu. Here the Shattam is not because of the Shattam for the first Sakara. It is not because of Adesha Pratyaya. It is because of Shtunashtavu. The second Sakara undergoing Shattam, that is because of Adesha Pratyaya. So the example is to show that the Padanta Sakara will not become Murdhanyaha. If it is Murdhanyaha because of Adesha Pratyaya, then in the first itself it would have happened. It doesn't happen. Because this has got the Padasanya. Therefore, it will not happen. That is the example here. Then, Atra Dhanus plus Su ityatra Dhanus Shabdasya Sakaraha Yapi Visargadeshasya Sakara Asti. It is Adesha Sakara. The place of Visarga it has come. Tatapi Saka Padante Asti. That is at the end of the Padam. Ataha Adesha Prattayoho Ityanena Tasya Shattum na Bhavati. Therefore, it will not come. By the Sutra Adesha Prattayoho, Shattum will not happen. Kevalam Pratyaya Sakarasya eva Shattum Kartum Adesha Pratyaya Ityasya Prayogaha Kriyate. So only Pratyaya Sakara is done by the Adesha Pratyaya. Kashika, that's what I explained in the beginning. Murdhanyaha iti vardate saha iti cha Adesha Pratyaya iti shashti bedena sambadhyate. Adeshaha yaga sakaraha Pratyayasya cha yaga sakaraha इनको हो उत्तरः तस्य मूर्धन्यः भवति आदेशः आदेशस्य तावत् शिष्ये एव that is example then प्रत्ययस्य अग्निषु वायुषु कर्तृषु हन्तृषु अर्थृषु etc. Okay, then next sutra now. Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi says in kubhyam parasya apadantasya adeshasya pratyaya avayavasya yaha sakaraha tasya murdhanyadeshaha ईषद् विवृतस्य सस्य तादृशः एव शः. Okay, Sakara will come. Okay, ईषद् विवृता is stani. It says fine. Then the sutra is then. Is it clear? The sutra Adesha Prattayoho.
Yes, dear.
Next one is Rashabhyam no naha samana pade. Natvam. So Shatvam and then Natvam. This Natvam is like Adesha Pratyaya we saw that it's a big Adhikara. Adhikara relatively big. Big means not huge. That you can see that the Shatvam, Murdhanyaha, it goes as Anuvrutti up to 1119. That is started from 55 up to the end of this section. Murdhanya is the Adesha. So in the place of Sakara, Shakara will come. In the place of Dhakara, Shakara will come. So Dhakara also comes in some place. So Murdhanya, this is the section where Murdhanya Adesha comes. So this is one section where it's a bigger section really. So where you see the Shatva Adesha or Murdhanya Adesha. Sakara is the Shatvam. Dhakara is the accordingly you get the Dhatvam and all Dhatva Adesha. The next big Adhikara is this Natva Adhikara, which is in the 4th chapter of the 8th section 841, starting from that up to 39th sutra of this section. It goes as Anuvrutti. It is Adhikara. Rashabhyam no naga samana pade. That is a sutra. One Vartika is that Ruvarnath Chaiti Vaktavyam. Ru also to be included. Ru means Ru both. So this is the Adhikara Sutra, goes as Anuvrutti up to 8439. So you can see all the sutras here talks about Natvam up to 8 to 39. Sorry, 8 439. This whole thing is talks about Shatvam. The Shatvam, I will summarize in one class, maybe in a regular class also. I will summarize this, what each sutra says, if not in detail, just a summary of the whole thing. Just got the Shatvam, Apavada also it is there. Where is Apavada? If you see 8-4-34, Na is there. Na bha, bhu, pu, kami, gami, pyahi, vepam. That na is there. That na alone goes as another up to 8-4-39. That is 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 is Apavada to Nattam. Na. There you can see 37. Padantasya. Padantasya means Padantasya Nakarasya na. Na. Nattam na bhavati. There only we Apavada is Padantasya. So we are interested only now the first two sutra. Rashabhyam no naha samana pade. With along with the Vartika. Then Atkupang num yavaye api 842. And the next sutra is Apavada Sutra, Padantasya, 8437. That this three alone we will see it now. Other sutras we will see later. Other sutras are important. In the Samasa, sometimes you will see it doesn't happen. There are many examples like that in the Gita where you don't see Nattam. If you see the word, naturally the doubt should come. But you don't see Nattam there because of the Samasa and because of the sutras here. So that we will see later. These three sutras we will see now. So, Ashabhyam no naha samana pade atkupangam vyavaye api at padantasya. That is Apavada, the three sutras. Now let us start with Ashabhyam no naha samana pade. So what does it say? Ashabhyam no naha samana pade. Ashabhyam. Ashabhyam, what is the vibhakti of Ashabhyam? Yam is no.
Repa and then
Yes, what vibhakti is that?
Rashabhyam. Okay.
Panchami.
Panchami. It is Panchami, right?
Mhm.
Preceded by Repa or Shakara. See, this is another thing. It's always when you talk about a Sthani, you talk about the Sthani always with reference to either preceding or succeeding. So preceded by, succeeded by. Because I see some translations that is not correct. Always can say like this: preceded by, succeeded by, with reference to the Sthani. The Sthani here is no, that is Naha, Dantyanakara. Dantyanakara preceded by Repa or Shakara. And Vartikakara says Rivarnath cha iti vaktavyam. Rivarna also to be included, should be told, should be mentioned. Ru means, Ru stands for Ru, Dirgha also. So Rashabhyam is, the two words are there, Repa, two letters are there, Repa and Shakara, Mudanya Shakara. Rascha, Shashcha. Rashav, Tabhyam, Rashabhyam. Dvanda Samasa. Okay. And Naha, that Dantinakara preceded by Repa Shakara will get what Adesha? Naha Adesha. Murdanya Nakara. Murdanya Akara the Adesha. So both Naha, they got this Naha is that you have to see that this Adesha Naha is Pratipadikam is Nakara, pure Nakara. Adesha, sorry, the Adesha is this Nakara with the Akara for as the for Ucharanartha. Adesha, Mudanya, Nakara. This Nakara with the Akara. Okay, this Nakara, this Sthani Nakara, that is Dantya Nakara. Naha is its Pratipadikam is only Nakara, pure Nakara. So you should, when you see the Vibhakti, Rashabhyam is Panchami Dvivachana. And no, that is Naha. Its Vibhakti is Shashti Vibhakti. If it is Shashti Bhakti, what will be Pratipadikam? Pratipadikam will be Nakara only, pure Nakara, like Marut Shabda, right? Understand? Pratipadikam of no is Naha. Its Pratipadikam is pure Nakara alone. Only Nakara like Marut Shabda, Alanta Shabda. Then the Adesha is Murdani Nakara. Whose Pratipadika? Naha is Adesha. Therefore, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana. Therefore, its Pratipadika must be Na. That is Nakara plus Akara. Akara only for Uchcharanartha. But understand. Okay. Is it clear? First, you have to understand what the.
Yes, yeah.
This is how generally you will see. Generally, you will see Stani to be the pure, if it's a consonant, pure consonant. Adesha will have the with the some vowels for Uchcharanartha. So na when you say Nakara plus Akara, therefore na is Akaranta Shabda like Rama Shabda, Ramaha, Naha. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavacham, therefore it is Yadesha. If it is Adesha, that what about also is a part of the Adesha? No, is only for Uchcharanartham. The content only you have to take, which is pure Nakara. Then another word is that Samanapade important. Samanapade is also Saptami. What Saptami? It is Vishay Saptami here. It is not Parasaptami. Therefore, don't apply Tasmin Nidishte Purvasya. That will not apply here. Samanapade means the same Pada. That is in the same Pada, not different Pada, not between the two words. The same word. Samanapade. So that is important. That is also Samasa. Samana and Pada is that. Samanam Chatat Padam. Samana Padam. It's a Tatpurusha Samasa. Karmadare Tatpurusha. Samana Padam. Samana Pade, the same Pada. Ekasmin Pade. That is the meaning. Samana Pada means Ekasmin Pade. The same Pada. Rashabhyam. Pepa Shakara. Parasya. Vartamanasya. Dantya Nakarasya. Stane. Kimbhavati. Nakaraha. Murdanya Nakaraha. Adesha Bhavati. Samana Pade. Ekasmin Pade. So Ekasmin Pade Eva. It means in the same Pada. Dantyanakara, presumably Repa and Shakara must be there. Then Variyatham will happen. This is what it says. Samana Pade. When you say Samana Pade, in the later you will see from 8-4-3 onwards. Purva Pada, Sanyayam, Agaha, and all will come. In Samana Pada, you are saying NY Purva Pada. It means it is talked about Samasa. Samasa also, the two Padam becomes joined together, become the Pratipadikam and becomes a Padam. So, there it is Purvapada and Parapada. There also it will apply. So Samana, that is from 8-4-3 onwards. That we will see. Okay, later. Purvapada. Purvapada, when you talk about, then Uttarapada must be there. When Purvapada, Uttarapada is there, then what it must be? Must be a Samasa. So in the Samasa context, this will apply. What will apply? Nattam will apply. Okay. Anyway, that is one thing. Then Ruvarnacha iti vaktami Vatikakara adds Ru also to be included. Now we will see the sutra. And at Kupvangdum Yavaya api, even when intervened by Yavaya is intervention. Even when intervened by at a letter. Ayun Rulak Evom Ayouch Hayavarat. Any of the letter. Ku Kavarga letter. What is Pong, Pu and Ang? Pavarga and Ang Upasarga. Then Num Agama, Anuswara. Num can take the form of Anuswara also. When you say Num, wherever Anuswara is there, that also you can take it as Num Agama. Num Agama comes, what will happen? By Nascha Padanta Sajali, Num will become Anuswara. But Anuswara again only will become Parasavarna, that depends on what follows. Okay. Here, Num, where the Num will come? Num will come, it being a Mittagama after the last H. Right? If Num Nakara is there, that is okay, Nakara. Or followed by Jal, what will happen? What will happen to Num? By the previous this section. Nascha padantasya jali. That will apply, that will become anuswara. So num stands for nakara, either nakara directly present or it's the nakara which has undergone change by anuswara, by becoming anuswara. So it could be anything. Vyavaye api, vyavadane api. Kimbavati, this shattam will happen. Okay, then we'll see now. 841. Pashabhyam no naha samana pade. Pashabhyam panchami, dvivachanam. Naha shashti, that is a stani. Shashti stane yoga. By that, shashti stane shashti. Naha is adesha, pratama ekavachanam, samana pade, vishesa saptami. Samana pade. Samhitayam adhikara. Samana pade, repat shakara tva parasya nakarasya samhitayam. Samhitayam is a Vishesha Saptami. Okay, Samana Pade is, that condition is given. Okay, Samana Pade. It's not Vishesha Saptami. Samhitayam is Vishesha Saptami. Samana Pade means within the same Pada. It is just the Adhikarana Saptami. Okay, it is not Vishesha Saptami. Samana Pade is just Saptami. Talking about this Adhikarana Saptami. Samhitayam is Vishesha Saptami. Then repaha shakaraha yasmin pade asti tasmineva pade repat shakarat va paraha nakaraha vartate chet tasya nakaraha nakaradesha bhavati. So the same pada yasmin pade asti shakara, whichever pada it is, tasmin pade eva, that was samana pade, followed by repa and shakara. The nakara will be replaced by mudani nakara. Yata push plus na plus ti. Push is ninth gana dhatu. Push plus shna. Shna is the gana vikrana. Shakara, you don't see that. It's the letter. So push plus na. Na is danti nakara. Fine. Preceded by mudani shakara. Therefore becomes, sorry, preceded by mudani shakara. Yes. Therefore, in the place of danti nakara, murdanya adesha comes. Pushnati. The form you get pushnati. Similarly, chatur plus nam. Chatur plus nam. Here, chatur plus nam, what happens? Here, chatur plus am it is. Shashti vibhakti bhagavachanam. Chatur plus am. By sutra, rasvan nudyapaha nut, I think. Or, no, yeah. Or shat chaturbhyascha, I think. By shat chaturbhyascha, nuttagama comes. Anyway, what may be the sutra? Nuttagama comes here. Therefore, it becomes nam. Chatur plus nam. Chatur plus nam. Then the repa is there. Chatur plus nam. The repa causes this nakara to nakara. Okay. Then nuttagama has come here. Okay. Here nuttagama, that is why two nakara you see here. Two nakara you see here. Okay. This has to be explained. This is nuttagama comes. And then you see the two nakaras here. Chatur plus nam. Anyway, the example is only here to show because of the repa, this nakara, danti nakara has become mudin nakara. Only that much example. We will see chatur shabda later. Then there it will become clear. Chatur plus am is the pratyaya. The am gets nuttagama, therefore becomes nam. And after that, then the chatur shabda, we will see. If we can explain that, topic will go somewhere. Okay, let me say that is out of context. Still, okay, let me explain that. Chatur plus am. Just give me a minute. That is chatur plus am. So that am is a pratyaya. Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachana Pratyaya, which will get Nuttagama. Rasva Nadhyapo Nut. By that Nuttagama it gets. It's supposed to get by Rasva Nadhyapa, but it will not get by that. It will get the Nuttagama by Shat Chaturbhyascha. That is why I said the two sutra. Because for this Shat Chaturbhyaha, the Nuttagama comes by Shat Chaturbhyascha. If you want the sutra number, you can note 7155. 7155. There's a Rasva Nudhyapaka Nutta also is that is preceding to that. Anyway, so by Chaturbhyascha, the Am Pratyaya will get Nuttagama. Therefore, it becomes Nam. Chatur plus Nam you get. Now, Chatur plus Nam, what will happen? Chatur plus Nam becomes, because of Repa, this Dantya Nakara will become Murdanya Nakara. Chaturnam you get. The form is Chaturnam. Why this two Nakara has come? The two Nakara has come. That is because of the another sutra. Achorahabhyam dve. If you do Dvitvam, you will get two Nakara, Chaturnam. But anyway, that is optional. So he has given the optional form. So better it's not required here. He should have given one form so that you can easy to understand. That is the same 8-4 section. Later we will see. Achorahabhyam dve. By that, what will happen? The Dvitvam happens. The Nakara which has come, that becomes Dvitvam. Achaha Rahabhyam dve. That Repa or Hakara following that will take Dvitvam when it is preceded by Ach letter. The Sachorahabhyam de, the sutra is we will see. Later we will see. So this Chaturnam is an optional form. So we don't need this optional form here. You can simply take Chatur Nam. That one more Nakara is here. That is not required. That comes by Achorahabhyam dve, another sutra that we will see later. But here for this sutra, this Dantya Nakara becoming Murdanya Nakara. This Dantya, what you see here, that become Murdanya Nakara. That itself is sufficient. Chaturnam only. That is enough. That is also one form. So here we have two forms, Chaturnam and Chaturnam. So that is enough for here. Here Dantya Nakara preceded by Repa. Therefore it becomes Chaturnam. Murdanya Nakara Bhavati. Okay, that's what it is. So don't get confused with this double Nakara here. Double Nakara is an optional form. Fine. The next example you can see. Asmin Sutre Samana Pada iti Kimartam Muktam Asti. Yes, why it is called Samana Pada? It is said here. Yadi Repaha Shakaraha Yasmin Pade Asti. Tasmin Pade Nakaraha Nasti. Tarki Nakara sin Attam Nabhavati. If Repa and Shakara Yasmin Pade Asti. Tasmin Pade, in the same Pada, if Nakara is not there, then it will not happen. It means Nakara is there in some other Pada, the following Pada. Then it will not happen. Yata Agnihi Nayati. You can see here, Agnihi Nayati. When we do Sandhi, Agnihi Nayati. That Agnihi, that Su is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana. In the place of that only, Repa comes. Ru Adesha Bhavati. Uskard is Repa. So Agnir Nayati. Now Repa is there. This Repa, because of this Repa, can you do Nattum? No, because it is not Samana Pada. Therefore, you cannot do. Therefore, here Samana Padam Nasti, Ataha Nakarasya Nattum Nabhavati. And also, this Agdir Nayati, this Repa is what will happen to this Repa? This Repa is okay, it continues to be there. Yeah, because of this Repa, the Nimitta is there. The Nimitta Repa, it is in the it's in a different Padam. It is in a different Padam. And that which is the naimittika, that nakara is in the parapada. So therefore shattum will not happen. It should be in the same pada. In samasa it is okay. In samasa it's okay. Even with the upasarga it is fine. But here it is to vyasta pada. Therefore here it will not happen. Atra ekam vartikam api jnatam. One vartika also to be should also to be known, should have been told. What is that? Rivernath nasya natvam vachyam. Vachyam we have seen. Vach dhatu should be told. Vachyam, vach dhatu, yat pratyaya we saw. Vachyam should be told. What? Rivernath nakarasya natvam. If Riverna also is a means rikara or rikara. Ityukte rikarat parasyapi nakara adesha bhavati. Yatha tisru plus nam. Tisru. Here also that arm gets nutakama. That's what the sutra. Rasva nadhyapaha nut. By that nutakama it comes. Tisru. Here a ru is that. The ru is a nimitta for causing mudanya nakara. Therefore tisrunam. Tisrunam is shashti vibhakti of this three shabda, strilinga. Similarly, pitrunam, matrunam, everywhere the same thing. Pitru plus nam, pitrunam. So here rikara is that, a rikara example. Rikara, then natam happens. This is rashabhyam, no naha samana pade. The next one is atkup vang num vyavaye api. So even when intervened by any number of this, unlike num shar visarjaniya num visarjaniya shar vyavaye api, there only is one allowed. Here it is not, it is any number is allowed. Repat shakarat parasya nakarasya nakaradeshaha at varnasya kavargiya varnasya pavargiya varnasya ang asya upasargasya, ang is upasarga, anusvarasya cha, the num is anusvara. Vyavadane api bhavati. Even when intervened by any number of any of these letters, then also natvam will happen. Rashabhyam no naga samana padyanena sutrena repa shakarabhyam parasya avyavahitasya nakarasya nakaraha adesha vidiyate. Immediately preceded by repa and shakara, dante nakara will become murdanya nakara. That is what the sutra 841 Rashabhyam no naga samana pade ordained. Now by this sutra, current sutra, Vartamana Sutrena, Ayam Nakara Adeshaha, Atvarnasya Kavargiya Varnasya Pavargiya Varnasya, Angasya Upasargasya, Anusvarasya, Vyavadane Api Bhavati. Even when intervened by any of these letters, then also Natvam will happen. Okay. Atkupvam Num Vyavaya Api. This is also Dvandva samasa. Acha, puscha, puscha, angcha, numcha. Atkupam, num. Taihi vyavayaha. Therefore, dvandva. So, dvandva, garbha, tritiya, tatpurusha, samasa. So, even when intervened by these letters, it will happen, he says. Udaharanani. Swarasya vivadanam. Swarasya vivadanam is at is there. At has got swara, ach part is covering. So swarasya vivadanam, vari plus out. Vari plus out. Then what will happen to out? What do you remember when I say out? What is out?
Sarvanamasthana.
Vari, what shabda?
Napumsakalinga. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
For Vari, Napumsakalinga,
Then
it
it won't
is
be.
not.
Yeah. Correct.
Then what happens? We have seen that it's not new. We have seen in Shatra Shanach and all. We have seen in the Sanskritam class that au and out will be replaced by
She Sarvanamasthana. Is it?
No, that is different.
That is just Jasho. Okay, that is different.
Just and Shas for Napumsakalinga
Yeah,
will be replaced
yeah,
by she.
she. Yeah, yeah,
That is
yeah. That
different.
is not. Yeah.
Pratama, Dvitiya, sorry, Pratama Ekavachanam and Dvitiya Dvivachanam and Dvitiya Dvivachanam. That au and out both will be replaced by she, long she.
Okay.
Okay, I think we have not seen this. We'll see that. And Halanta we will see. So therefore, that you don't see Vari plus au here. It's not ends and the end of. Au will be replaced by e. Okay, that e only you see. Varini e is there. Okay, then it will get the agama nakara will come. Nakara will come as the agama. It is the nut agama. Sorry, it's a mit agama. It comes under num section. Napumsakasya jalachaha. We will see that later. So Varin, here it is not given. I'm just explaining this. We'll see that sutra later. Vari plus au is replaced by she. She is e. Then this Vari will get agama. Nakara will be there. Varin plus e. That's what I want to say. Varin plus e. Here this will get a mitagama. That numagama, which is a mitagama. Numagama, which is a mitagama. I say myth means you have to understand it is num. Okay. So Varin plus e. Now the Varin Nakara is preceded by e letter. And this Nakara is Apadanta Nakara. Alright, preceded by e. Therefore become Mudani Nakara. Varin plus e. Varini. That's how you get Vari, Varini, Varini, Vari, Varini, Varini. This is Dvivachana. Okay. This example is given, but you cannot understand this example completely without knowing the Subanta. That we will see later. But to know this much simple thing, that is, Varin gets a Numagama, and Numagama, that is Mittagama, comes after after E. Therefore, Apadanta Nakara, preceded by E, will become Mudani Nakara. So, Varin always replaced by E. Therefore, Varini, you get it. Anyway, if you don't know this, understand this example, it's fine. We will see that later, you will understand it. Then Hakarasya Swarasya cha Vivadhanam. Drog plus ta. Here also ta is replaced by ina. One sutra is that ina. So droga plus ina become drogena. That na is there, that becomes mudinakara. I think these examples we will see later. Then only you will understand this. But we have seen many examples where it has happened. So it is not something new. So Nattam, many examples already we have seen. These examples will be understood only when we know Subanta. Drohena, Brahmani, Pushpani, Murkena, all are this example. Nirudha, Trum plus Aniya. That we can understand. That Aniyar example. Because we have seen in our class Aniyar. Trum plus Aniyar. Here Nakara is there. Tante Nakara. And R is there. Rukara. This intervened by Trum. Anuswara is there. Hakara is at letter is there. Then I is Swara is there. So all these are permissible letters. Therefore, then Nakara will become Mudani Nakara, Trimhaniya. You get the form. This example is fine for our understanding. You can understand this example. Other examples are Subanta example. Even this you can understand. Ta pratyaya. That also good example. That also you can see that. Nir plus Nir is the Upasarga. A is also Upasarga. Nakh dhatu. Nakh bandhane. Ta pratyaya. We know, we are seeing ta pratyaya. So Nakara is Apadanta Nakara. and it is preceded by repa, not immediately. Vivadana is akara. Akara is permissible letter. It is one of the letter in at. Therefore, nattam will happen. This nakara will become murdani nakara. And nakh plus ta, we know what will happen after that. Nakh plus ta. This takara will become, this hakara will become kimbhavati.
Daha.
Not become murdani
Naho
nakara.
daha. Nah,
Dakara,
naho,
dakara.
naho daha.
We have an exception to that. Only for this dhatu. Nakh bandhane. From this only, I think we have seen upanak shabda and all. But upanak is
Naho
shoes.
daha. Yeah.
Naho daha. Daha, that is dantya mahaprana letter, fourth letter will replace, not dakara. After that, dakara, takara is there. You do the sandhi, you get the form. What will happen then? Nadh plus ta pratyaya. Also we have seen. Tatoho jashantasya. Tatoho will be replaced by takara, or takara will be replaced by dhakara. Then jalam just jashi you apply. You get niruddha, right? Dhakara, dhakara. Then dalam just jashi will apply. You get niruddha. Can you follow? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
We spent a lot of time on that, so you can.
Yeah,
Recall.
yeah, yeah.
Hakara replaced by dhakara. Then ta pratyaya is there. Takara will be replaced by that also by dhakara. Then jalam just jashi will apply. The first dhakara will become just letter dhakara. So dhakara, therefore niruddha you get. In fact, here we have seen this sutra class itself. We have seen that. So just example, the sutras we have seen jashantasya, right? Okay, not jashantasya, jashaha tatoho adaha. That sutra we have seen. Jashaha
Yeah.
tatoho daha iti. These two examples are enough for this atkupam num vyavaye api. Jnatavyam. At pratyahare sarve swaraha tata hakara ekara vakaraha samavishtaha santi. We know all the vowels and hakara and semi vowels are there except lakara. At kupu angnum eteshu ekasya anekasya va vyavadanam asti chedapi natvam bhavati. That is important. That is what differentiates from shatvam. Even if more than one intervenes, then also natvam will happen. Ang iti kaschana upasarga asti. Ang is upasarga. Pragishvarat nipataha. By that, sarve upasargaha nipataha santi. All the upasargas are nipata. So therefore, hang is upasarga. Swarad nipatam abhyayam. Therefore, it is abhyaya also. Nipataha abhyayani. Ityukte padani. Abhyaya means what? It's a padam. So hang is a padam. अस्य कः अर्थः निर् प्लस आंग प्लस नद्दम इति शब्दं स्वीकुर्मः चेत् अस्य वस्तुतः पदत्रयमस्ति. Three padams are there. निर् प्लस आंग प्लस तथा नद्धम. अस्यां स्थितौ we said samanapade. Now ang comes. Ang is a padam. Savya, it's a padam. Nir is also upasarga. That is also a padam. Both are the upasarga added to the dhatu nakh. Nakh plus ta. Nakh plus ta become naddham. Then three are vestapadam. Then how can you make the nattam? That is what the question is raised. Asyam stitau padavyavaye api. Iti anena pratamapade upastitah repah तृतीयपदस्य नकारस्य नत्वं न कारयितुं शक्नोति द्वितीयपदस्य विवधानात्. So padavyavaye api. What happens in the repa is there in the pratama padam, that is nir, and nakara it is there in the tritiya padam, intervened by the dvitiya padam, and permissible letters are there in the dvitiya padam. Ang is there. Parantu atra ang graganena asya apavadaha taha asti. That's what important is. Why ang is there? Ang is a padam. It's a upasarga, therefore abhyaya, therefore it's a padam. Because of the mentioning of the ang, therefore we can understand it is apavada. It means purva pada. Intervened by ang means what? When intervened by a means para must be a padam, purva also must be a padam. Right? Therefore, यदि मध्यस्थं पदम् आङ् अस्ति चेत् तर्हि प्रथमपदस्य रेप शकारेण तृतीयपदस्य नकारस्य नत्वं भवति. That is what the meaning is. That is why आङ् is mentioned. आङ् is upasarga, it is a padam. Even when intervened by आङ् means what? The repa must be preceding because that is the nimitta. And naimittika follows the आङ्. Therefore, that must be a different padam. That itself makes it very clear. Therefore, it is not samana padam. This is an exception. From that ang, so much information is there. Ataha nir plus ag plus nattam ityatra nattam drishyate. Okay. This all this thing now we can understand. Previously, when I say ang means you just think ang, okay, ang also intervene. But how can ang intervene? Ang is a padam. It's upasarga, it's a padam. If it intervenes means both the preceding and succeeding must be a padam. The nimitta must be in the purva and the naimittika must be in the para with regard to am. Therefore, it violates samana pade. That is why it is apavada. And fourth point. Asmin sutre nirdishtaha num adeshaha num shabdaha anuswaraha, not adesha, shabdaha anuswaraha ityarte yukte yuktaha asti num ityarte na. You have to understand num is anuswara, because this num will become anuswara anyway by nashya padanta sajari. Therefore, anuswara is mentioned. You have to num is mentioned. Therefore, you have to understand it is anuswara. Anuswaraha yoga vagaha asti. Ataha shiva sutreshu tasya grahanam akarat anantaram bhavati. Ataha at pratyahare anuswarasya samaveshaha asti eva. Ataha asmin sutre num ityasya grahanam vyartam asti. Why he says, okay, it's a good point to be noted. In the beginning, I said num could be a nakara or could be anuswara. But even if it is nakara, then it is nashya padanta sajari by become nakara, is said. Nashya padanta sajari. But here he says very clearly that num is nothing but anuswara. Because this anuswara will come along with the vowel only. So at letter is mentioned. At means includes all the vowels. So after the vowel only anuswara will come because it is ayoga vaga. So therefore it means im, all those things. At pratyahare anuswarasya samaveshaha asti eva. So in the at pratyahare anuswarasya samavesha asti eva. Ataha asmin sutre num ityasya grahanam vyartam asti. Asmin sutre nirdishta num shabdaha anuswaraha iti yuktaha asti num ityartena. That is number one. Here the num, what is mentioned, it is anuswara. It is the form of anuswara is num. That is what is given here. Anuswaraha ayoga vagaha. It cannot stand alone. Ayoga vagaha. Therefore, where is this in the Mahageshwara Sutra? Akarat anantaram bhavati. This anuswara to be understood in the Mahageshwara Sutra, that it comes after. We know it comes after the vowels. Therefore, when you say and all, this anuswarasya grahanam akarat eva bhavati. Therefore, when you say at pratyahara, anuswara is also already covered. Therefore, why he says num? Asmin sutre num ityasya grahanam vyartam asti. Maybe this point is mentioned by the Bhashyakara, Patanjali. That's why it says here, num, it is not required. Num is can be understood, because when you bring the vowels from the Mahageshwara Sutra, from the vowel itself, anuswara is there. When you say anuswara will come after only the vowels. Therefore, it is well understood there itself, in the Mahageshwara Sutra itself. Therefore, need not be specified separately here. That's what he says. Who says this? Mahabhashyakara says. You must be saying, that's my guess. That is the Mahabhashyam. Then Rivernath Parasya Nakarasya api eteshu vivadhaneshu pareshu nakaraha adeshu bhavati. That is very Vartika. Last point, number 6. Asya sutrasya asmin natta prakarane इत्युक्ते क्षुब्नादिषु च इति यावत् सर्वेषु सूत्रेषु अनुवृत्तिः दृश्यते. दिस् नत्वा गोस् अनुवृत्ति अप टू 39 the sutra which is क्षुब्नादिषु इत्युक्ते अस्मिन् नत्व प्रकरणे यत्र यत्र नत्वं विधीयते तत्र तत्र अट्कुप्वाङ्गुम् एतेषां व्यवधाने अपि भवति इत्यर्थः. So this goes as anuvritti. This is also Adhyar Sutra. Goes as anuvritti, atkupangam vyavayapi. So it goes till where the nattum is mentioned. Up to that sutra, it goes as anuvritti. That's what he says. So these are the points. Okay. So atkupangam vyavayapi. After that, what sutra is there? Padantasya na. Padantasya dantyahakarasya na bhavati. Nattum na bhavati. So that we'll see next class. Okay. So we'll stop here. You have any doubts?
No, ji.
No, Ji.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavad.
धन्यवाद जी. धन्यवाद.
This num you have to understand. This num is why it is not
Required to be there.
why it is anuswara. That
Yeah.
is one thing.
Yeah.
Then num here means anuswara because where the num will come after the last vowel only, right?
Vowel.
With
Yeah.
achontyat paraha. So that being a myth agama comes after the last vowel. The vowel must be there. If vowel is not there, then where the num agama will come. So vowel must be there. So after the vowel only num agama will come. Fine. Then when the vowel comes, then if it is followed by jal letter, it will become anuswara, right? So that anuswara alone is mentioned by the num here. Num here is anuswara. Anuswara means anuswara because of the num agama we can take. It could be because of num agama. So it could be because of the num agama. In num agama only anuswara has come. That anuswara will come means it must be having a vowel. That is very well understood from the Mageshwara Sutra itself because anuswara being ayoga vaga. So in the when you take the vowel, so in the vowel along with the vowel, it is understood. Therefore he says it is Vyattaham asti. Anyway, Pandi Maharishi has mentioned, so we can take Numagama is there. Numagama means anuswara. That much you understand, it is enough.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dhanyavada.
धन्यवाद जी.
Dhanyavad, Ji.
Hello. Vacha. Very good. Okay, we'll see that next class.